Hey families, I hope that you guys had a good holiday season. Hopefully you were able to see some family maybe, or at least take a day or two off of work. Anyways, it's time for another supply pickup. So this Thursday at your child's homeschool, you can grab stuff that they will need for January. Really, the January packet just has a lot of extra kind of fun things that your child can do if they get done with work early, or to give them a break from screen time. So you'll pick up a bag, a big hefty locked bag. And inside of it, you'll find something like this. This is, again, some more paper books. These are the kind of books that we read in our small groups. These are what we call Just Right books. It's really important that kids are reading books that are on their level to just kind of keep them motivated, and also to just continue to build on the skills that we practice together. So please put this in a safe place. I recommend putting it in their reading pack that I gave them at the beginning of the year. I've got a bunch of paper books in there from previous months, so I would just stick this packet or these books in that same place. So all of their Just Right books are in one spot. All right, then the next thing you'll find in the packet is something like this. This is a choice board. This is all stuff that can be done off of a computer. Again, trying to get them off of their screen a little bit. So that's just extra fun stuff. January Fun is another packet I sent home. This has some good phonics skills that we've been practicing, nouns, verbs, writing. So that's just, again, there's also some math in here. So that's just for extra work. Then we have a coloring book, so that's pretty self-explanatory. Then we've got a Tangy Tuesday and Morty Wednesday pack. We'll do one of these a week at least in January. You'll probably need to help get them started with some of these puzzles, but once you get them started, then they should be set. So, and then we've got some games. These are just some paper games, nothing fancy, but those are some great phonics related games that you can play. You probably only need like a dice for most of these, so pretty easy. And then the last thing is all from Martin Luther King Day, which is coming up. So we've got some papers in here for a craft. So please just maybe put that in the folder that I gave you last month. There was a yellow or green folder. I would just keep all of this social studies stuff in there. In fact, you could just put all this stuff in there. All right, last tip I have is just make sure your child has a writing notebook. I've sent a couple home, so make sure they've got one that's got those good lines in it, and keep everything in one place. Some kids are coming to meetings and they don't have their stuff, and it really wastes time whenever they're trying to find their whiteboard or their marker. So try to put everything in one spot. A lot of you guys already do that, which is awesome. If not, try to grab something like this, or it could be you can find these at the dollar store. Or you could even just a box, or even just a set designated area in your house where everything is. That would be awesome. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Pick that stuff up on Thursday at your child's homeschool. None of it has to be turned in. It's just extra stuff, really. But anyways, let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks for all you do, and I'll talk to you later.